a single cover. And if you don't want to get into doing graphic design and learn how to use Photoshop and all of that stuff yourself, the easiest way to do it is to go on Fiverr.com, which is Fiverr.com, and search for, let's just say, album cover or album artwork, whatever, doesn't matter. So then all you do is scroll through um, different listings. Now you could think of like you know the name of your song, so obviously you want to put probably the name of your song on the album cover or album. You might want your picture, you might not, but what you can do is I'll just pick one. Let's say this. Go to full screen. Um, and this is an actual album, but doesn't matter if it's an album or a CD cover or whatever. So you go through the different artists' designs and like pick one that you like. Um, say you wanted one similar to this, just with your name of your song, your 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 title, your artist name or whatever, and a picture of you like that. You just have to send them a picture of you, or say you want something like that, or whatever it is. You just go through these artists' profiles and pictures and designs, see what you like, and then once you like something, say you like this, but instead of that picture, it's gonna be you right there. You send so you say, okay, you like that, bam. So you look at the terms. So it's 24 hours return. They give you the files, the the different qualities, um, and you can pick if it's basic 2 days delivery and get you usually want the source file, so that'd be $25. Um, you press continue, you pay, and then you send them whatever you want to send them. The words. You tell them what design you want, like on slide two. You know the whatever you can like take a screenshot of this particular one. Take a screenshot by doing Shift, Command, and 4, and this will come up. Then you just click on the mouse and highlight the part that you want to take a screenshot of. You can send that one along with the your message. It's like I want it like this, except I want that picture to be my picture, and then I want these words below it or the side of it or whatever. And you tell them, and then in 2 days they'll email you back with a mock-up, which is basically a sample of what it's going to look like, and you say yes or no, or if you're going to change anything, you tell them to change it, whatever, and you know they they send you back your files, and you have an album cover. All right, um, and you can tell this person is or they have is 3 orders ahead of you if you were to order, and you know 2 days turnaround time. So if today is Tuesday, if you ordered it today, it's late Tuesday night, so probably Thursday night you would get it back. And yeah, that's all there is to it. You just have to have a picture, and you have to know what you want, and it's easy to find someone to do it cheap. There's people that do it cheaper than this. People that do it for $5. Okay.